One of the nicest things about taking my children to Dr. Tinney's office is that they love coming here. My daughter, unlike other children, gets so excited when I tell her it's time for her to go to the dentist. She always says, "Yay, I get to go to see Dr. Tinney." And she writes him letters to say how cool he is. And so it's just been a great experience to take my kids here.
I have been a patient of Dr. Tinney's for more than 17 years. When we first moved here, he was sent to me by a friend, and I wouldn't think of leaving for any reason.
Hello, I'm Linda, and I've been a patient for Dr. Tinney for approximately 20 years. I relocated to Elk Grove from Davis, California, and it was very important that I find a really good dentist.
Well, it started off really with my wife. She came here first, and her teeth were in bad shape, and Dr. Tinney just, took care of them to now. Her smile is just unbelievably beautiful.
Everything is incredibly organized, and I think is so important because I left my last dentist because the front office was very disorganized, and so that's really important to me.
Every time they make sure that your appointments are on time, and when you leave, they make sure that you have another appointment, even if it's not till your next cleaning in 6 months or whatever the issue is.
Yes, very organized, clean, up to date, peaceful, relaxing.
Well, I had some work done by a dentist that wasn't Dr. Tinney, and one of my coworkers said, "Why don't you try him?" I had had pain after I'd had a filling and been like 3 months. So I went to Dr. Tinney, and he showed me exactly what was wrong and why I was having pain.
I'm pretty much a wimp when it comes to anything in my mouth, which is another reason I like coming here, because they're very, very careful about the pain. If there's any kind of pain at all, Dr. Tinney always says, "Raise your left hand," and he's stopped and gives us some more shots. But that air bracing was no shots whatsoever, and I couldn't even feel it. I didn't even really know what they were doing, and he was done for a very short procedure, no pain whatsoever. So it was very, very good.
Well, my temporary crowns feel almost like they're the finished product, so they're very smooth and very comfortable.
Isn't this a fun device?
It is friendly, and one thing I can say is I always laugh, not only with the staff, but with Dr. Tinney too. He has more jokes and more funny things to say than anybody that I know that's in the medical profession of any kind. And we all know that laughter brings relaxation, and nobody wants to be to the dentist, so if you can be relaxed, that's wonderful.
Oh, it's always fun. You're always lighthearted. You work in a business that's pain, but yet when you come here, it doesn't seem that way, which helps a lot.
With Dr. Tinney, his staff, you're relaxed. It's like, and he's got a great sense of humor. He interacts with his patient as well as his staff. And I think that's really important.
I like that it's kind of a family feeling when you come here. They're very polite, they're nice to you, they greet you when you come in, and they make sure that you're comfortable.
Yeah, in fact, my daughter had left to Pepperdine, and we were talking about dentists, and I said, "If you need a dentist down there, let me know." And she goes, "No, Dad, I love going there. They're so friendly."
Would you recommend your friends or family to come here?
Oh, yes. Yes, for sure.
Definitely. I need some cards, some business cards, so I can hand them out at work.
Hi, I'm Dr. Stuart Russell. Not only do I send my patients, and I've sent patients to Dr. Tinney, I became a patient also.
Oh, you're very welcome. It's my pleasure to have an opportunity to speak about my friend and dentist, Dr. Tinney.